Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will discuss lesson number 7 of Living English, that is Happy Birds. Let's start reading. Firstly, an activity is given to you on page number 70, although it is a group activity, but for now you do it independently. In this picture, your children are playing in the park. You have to observe the picture and name any 5 things that you see over here. Alright? Moving on to the lesson. Rohan and Anu wanted to have a pet. Rohan wanted a dog. Anu wanted a white kitten. So the story is about 2 children. The name of the boy is Rohan and the name of the girl is Anu. Both of them wanted to have a pet. Rohan desired to have a dog as a pet. On the other hand, Anu desired a kitten. The young one or the baby of cat is known as kitten. Then Rohan and Anu walked to the pet shop in the market. In the shop, they saw dogs, cats and rabbits. So to have a pet, they went to a pet shop. There they saw dogs, cats and as well as rabbits. Moving ahead. Rohan and Anu liked them. They also saw some cages. There were parakeets in small cages. There were white and grey pigeons in a big cage. So both the children liked the animals in the pet shop. There were small cages also. Cage is a box with bars which is used to keep the animals and birds so that they cannot escape. Then parakeet is a small parrot with a long tail that is found in usually hot countries. So there they saw parakeets also kept in the small cages, and in a big cage white and grey pigeons were kept. Alright, then the birds looked sad. Rohan and Anu did not like to see the birds in the cages. They felt sorry for the birds. Then they went back home. They told Granny what they had seen. Granny said, "Let us go to the shop right now." So Rohan and Anu felt that the birds are not happy. They felt sorry for the birds. Then they returned home and described the whole scene to their granny. After hearing everything, Granny decided to go to that pet shop with the kids. Now moving on to the next page. Rohan, Anu and Granny went to the shop. Granny said to the shopkeeper, "I want to buy these birds." The shopkeeper gave them the birds in the cages. She told the shopkeeper, "You should not keep the birds in cages." So, on reaching the pet shop, Granny told the shopkeeper that she wanted to buy all the birds present in the shop. The shopkeeper gave all the birds in the cages to her. Then she advised the shopkeeper that he should not keep the birds in cages. Now let's read further. "I'm sorry, ma'am. I will never sell birds now," he said. Rohan, Anu and Granny came out of the shop. They opened the door of the cages. The birds hopped out one by one. They flew away happily. So the shopkeeper felt sorry for his act and said that he will never sell birds from now on. Then Rohan, Anu and Granny walked out of the pet shop and opened the doors of cages. One by one, birds started hopping out of the cages. Hopping means to move by jumping, like a frog or a kangaroo do. Then All the birds became free and flew away happily. Or you can say all the birds flew away with joy. Okay, so children, from the story we learn that we should not keep any bird or animal in a cage. Birds have a quality of flying, which everybody desire. And by keeping them behind the bars, we are snatching their beautiful quality from them, isn't it? Rather, we should feed birds and animals. We should never throw the leftover food and water in the trash bin. We should keep it outside so that any bird, animal, or insect can feed on it.